Hello children, today I will continue the lesson manufacturing industry with the topic mineral based industry. Here is the cement industry. So why the cement industry is gaining popularity? The reasons are because it is essential for the construction activity such as the building houses, bridges, factories, roads, dams, airports and for other commercial establishments. So the raw material, it requires bulk in heavy raw materials like limestone, silica, gypsum, coal and electric power are needed apart from the rail transportation. Now importance, the industry has strategically located plants in Gujarat that had suitable access to the market in Gulf countries. So the first cement plant was set up in Chennai in 1904. After independence, the industry expanded and has a readily available market in East Asia, Middle East, Africa and South Asia, apart from a large demand within the country. That's why this industry is expanding. Next is the automobile industry. Now what are the features, or write a note on automobile industries. Now what it does, it provides the vehicles for the quick transport of goods, services and the passengers. Trucks, buses, cars, scooters, three-wheelers and multi-utility vehicles are manufactured in India at various centers such as Delhi, Mumbai, Pune, Chennai, Kolkata, Indore, Hyderabad, Bangalore. After the liberalization, the coming in of new and contemporary models stimulated the demand for vehicles in the market, which has led to the healthy growth of the industry. Next is information technology and electronic industries. Now it covers a wide range of products from transistor sets to the television, telephones and telephone exchange, radars, computers, etc. Bengaluru has emerged as the electronic capital of India. Now this question can come for 1 mark. Which city has emerged as the electronic capital of India? Now major centers of this industry are concentrated at Bengaluru, Noida, Mumbai, Chennai, Hyderabad and Pune. A major impact has been on employment generation. Means this industry has given employment to the people on a large scale, and the continuing growth in the hardware and software is the key of the success of IT industry in India. Next is, now all these industries, what they do, they cause the pollution and they degrade the environment. So what are these? There are 4 types of pollution: air pollution, water pollution, land pollution and noise pollution. So what are the causes and effect of each pollution? First is the air pollution. It is caused by the presence of high proportion of undesirable gases such as sulfur dioxide and carbon monoxide and smoke emitted from the factories, chimneys, by chemical and the paper industries, brick kilns, refineries, etc. It affects, what are the effects? Health of the human beings, animals, plants, buildings and atmosphere as a whole. Now next is the water pollution. So it is caused by organic and inorganic industrial waste and effluents discharged into the rivers, and among these industries are the paper, pulp, textile, dyeing and tanneries, etc. They pollute at the most. Next is the thermal pollution or land pollution. Now thermal pollution of water occurs when hot water from the factories and thermal plants is drained into the river and the ponds before cooling waste from the nuclear power plants, and it causes cancer, birth defects and the miscarriages. And dumping of waste renders the soil useless. That's why it is a land pollution. Rain water percolates to the ground and the groundwater gets contaminated, especially from which industries? Glass, harmful chemicals, packaging and salt, etc. Now what is noise pollution? Unwanted sound is an irritant and source of stress and results in anger, hearing impairment, increased heart rate and blood pressure. Industrial and construction activities, machinery, factory equipments, generators, electric drills make a lot of noise that irritates and make us angry. And now how we can control this environmental degradation and pollution? There are steps. So control of environmental degradation, steps to reduce industrial pollution of fresh water are here. First is minimizing use for processing by reusing and recycling it in 2 or more successive stages. Second is rainwater harvesting. Third is treating hot water and effluents before releasing them into the rivers and the ponds, and it can be done in the 3 phases, that is primary, secondary and tertiary. And other steps which we can take, that smoke can be reduced by using oil and gas instead of the coal in the factories, and machineries and equipments and generators should be fitted with the silencers. Machinery can be redesigned to increase energy efficiency and reduce the noise. Now we know that these industries are the index of the economic development of the country, but if we want sustainable development of the country, then we have to integrate it with the environmental development. Stay blessed. Thank you.